Again, the reason I asked you to get your laptops is for this reason. Log in, open up ChatGPT. You can open up any one of them. I will show you alternate tools. But it is better to start with your favorite tool. Alright? Okay. Now, if I wanted you to tell ChatGPT to make a game like Flappy Bird, but I don't want you to do Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird is its own proprietary, copyrighted material. But you twist. If anybody has not played Flappy Bird, we will play. I'll show you what I do. Something else, but I'll show you how to. This is just so that people want to know what Flappy Bird is. This is what it looks like. We will open cursor also. This is what I made. Okay, this is what Flappy Bird is. Basically, there are some things in this which are intuitive. That means you have to take, this was earlier a bird, but I have changed it to theme to a plane. I have not done any of the artwork. I don't know how to make sprites, that means those little images that are there. I know none of it. What I do know is how to tell it to make this. Now what I want you to do, in your own way, you have to tell ChatGPT to make this game for you. My thing is that, what would you write? Can you tell me what if I want you to tell that? How would you prompt it? Make me an app. Correct? Make me an app. See what it tells you. I will show you what it says over here. Okay, make me an app like Flappy Bird but with planes. Right? Forgive my spelling. ChatGPT forgives it. Okay. Now what would it do? Now if I want to run this, say for example if I make an app, any idea what would be the foundation model for it? Now okay, here it is given HTML, that means it's given me a web-based app. Now how would I run this if I get this? Nange app code. How would you run it on VS Code is my question. Anybody who's not programmed it before only. I don't know how this thing works. That is where most faculty are correct alone. If I want to run something like this, what would I do? Now if you get this on VS Code, for example I want to run this. If you open VS Code, so I will open VS Code. Let's do it. Let's see what it gives me. Okay? Let's close this. Okay, let's open another folder. Okay, when you go on VS Code, what you have to do always when you are doing any project, Now I am starting with VS Code because you want to run this code, okay? So you open VS Code and you click on open folder. Now you want to make a new folder for your this one. Open folder and you create anywhere you want. In that small button you create a new folder like this. Okay? And I will put game. Okay. So what it will do, it will change my workspace. So whatever you write over here and do over here adds on to this sort of game over here. Okay. So it will open up and again forgive me for my VS Code hanging now. Okay. So what it has done is you can so whatever you want to add, files you want to add, come over here. So you can add files two ways over here. One is this button over here, you add a new file, or you can go to terminal and then add. Okay, both are okay. You write code and then you write your product name, this one file name, it will come over here. Now I don't want to do any of that. I want the easier version where I can just copy and paste. Okay. So all I want to do, it is given me, has it given you 3 files? What has it given you? 1 file, 3 file? It is given you 1 file. So you take that 1 file name. Here it is given me 3. Take that 1 file name. Go to VS Code. Click over here. Paste the name. And it opens up a thing over here. Okay. Then you copy the code. There are better ways to do this. We will say. Okay. Now whatever file you make sense, I have 3 files. Okay, what is your HTML file? Very basic, what you have learnt in school. It is basically a markup text language. That means to make things work on a browser or on the web. CSS is your painting to make that browser look nice. Your foundation work is done by your HTML. CSS is the painting on top of it. Your JavaScript is the logic. So here I have written, so you have your again, the names you can change, name is up to you. I don't want to take that trouble also. Alright, so if you want, even if you have got 1 file or 3 files, what you have to run for a web program is your index.html. That's the file you have to run. So how do you run it? You go on run and you have 2 options, run without debugging or run without by debugging. You can run any one of them. The debugging just finds for faults with this, so I will run it directly. You should be able to get these small things over here. So it says, how do I run it? It will tell, I will say run it by Chrome. Now, this will not have any of the earlier things. This is entirely new, what has been made before. So it will open up a web browser just like this. And close. That's it. Unable to launch. Is yours running? Click on start. Now, what is the problem over here? Good enough. Game over. It keeps going up. What's the problem? Did any of your games work? ನಂದು ನೋಡಬೇಡಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Take that code, copy that code. Don't go to HTML. Whichever is your web browser. Now, if it is showing an error, copy that error, put it over here. Say, for example, somebody, the website is not opening up. Is anybody's website opening up? Put it. Okay, now, are you able to play it? The question comes whether you are able to play. Okay, now how would you make it better? Okay, some people were able to file. Save your file. File cannot be accessed. Save it. You can run it without anybody. Copy, if you are getting an error, just copy that error, save the file, copy that error into your ChatGPT. Now, one of the problems that all of you will be facing is that your code may or may not be good. Now, one of the reasons that your code may or may not be good is because the GPT version that you have may not be the best one that gives the answer. Now, that brings me to point number 2. Okay. Now Flappy Bird, again I would want you to, ನಮಗೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಇದೆ. I have no issues at all. ಕುಟ್ಟಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. That means even if you have got it wrong, paste the error, ask it to do the code again. For free software, it stops after some time. Correct, no? It says I can't do. Now how do you get over a problem like that? Now to get over a problem like that, you have to have access to, I will stop this. You have to have access to something called as AI Studio. Now AI Studio will come, how to get this? Just go on Google and put Google AI Studio. Now for me it will open up, this is Gemini, not Gemini. I don't want to see it. Okay, now what is AI Studio and what is the benefit of having something like AI Studio? Your free large language model, that means whatever you are getting, it may be ChatGPT, it may be Claude, it may be Perplexity. I would suggest not using Perplexity for if you have taken a pro subscription, correct, no? But for coding it is not very good because it uses something called as a sonnet model, which is not really good at coding. Perplexity is very good for getting answers like Google. That is its core competency. So not all LLMs and tools are the same. So the best coder around is Claude 3.7 Sonnet. They have got 4, but 3.7 is the best. The next best one, it is debatable. You can use ChatGPT 5 or the Gemini model. Now, if you are a developer, that means I want to make something like this. You come to Gemini AI Studio. Now you already have Gemini in your browser, but what it gives, that is commercially made for people who want to access for a lot of things. But you are a developer and I want to get the best model with more or less no limits, more or less. Then this is one of the best ones to use. What? Okay. Can you see some things over here? Can you see what is? Can anybody explain what is token count? Yaralu helbo. Token count andre enu? Number of text or letters. One token you can take more or less as one word, or if it is a longer word, you break it down into half a word. That's a token. Now, how your LLM takes is, it takes information, breaks it down into tokens, and then processes those tokens and gives you tokens. So you have input tokens and output tokens. Right? Now, ChatGPT takes about 35,000 tokens. It can go up to higher. The more you pay, the more tokens it can take. That means it can take only so much information. That's what a token count is. Now, if you look at Gemini 2.5, can you see how many tokens is there? It's more than 1 million tokens. What does that mean? It means that it can take as much information as 4 or 5 textbooks in one window. Artha, what does that mean? I can put more stuff and talk to it with more stuff. Now we can do a lot with this. I can put PDFs, ask it questions. That's what not we are going to do. We are going to do the same thing over here. Now in case, now I like my code over here. I have put it, no? So what I can do, I can give the same command. Now what I will do is I will make it slightly different over here, the way I can code. I will make it very specific rather than very general. I would say make me a web app with a flying plane with plane physics, but the game should be like Flappy Bird. Now you can see something called as temperature over here. Temperature is the creativity. How much can you allow? So if I set my temperature to 0, I just want facts. I don't want creativity. But for something like coding. That means you are actually building stuff. Anybody who got anything on this screen, they have got it for the first time. ನಾನು ಕೋಡ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So what it does, so it gives me the same sort of output over here. Again creates CSS, again gives me the game logic over here. Now any web app that you want to build, any web app can be built like this. I am just building a game because the games are a little intuitive. Now you can see that sometimes the code may be small, so it's put files, it's done all of those things that we need. And it built a game. Now can you see the tokens over here? So it's about taken about 4,400 odd tokens. Now, people who are having trouble with ChatGPT, I want you to put the same prompt in AI Studio and see what it gives you. Change the prompt, adane happy, and see what comes out of the end. Tirga happy, AI Studio only happy. Again, you can make it all better. Another thing you can do is this. We will game only nilludilla. We will do one more thing. We will build a web app also. But the thing is, you should be able to do it. See, put it on Gemini. See, again, all of these have a different flavor. Everything does not. We did not do it the same. For some things I like AI Studio. For other things I am not there. I have a paid ChatGPT plan, the Plus plan. So sometimes I tend to use ChatGPT for most of it, but if my context length increases, say I have a lot of code, then I tend to put it with Gemini. I'll show you what Gemini made me earlier. If I can open my This is what Gemini had made me earlier. Made me a plane that looks like a mouse glider. So instead of skipping, I told him to make little more smoother. I had asked it to make it with more or less like flight physics rather than going up and down. Again, I'm terrible at Flappy Bird. But you I am not here. So that made the same game, but the output is entirely different. The flavor is different. Okay? Now, put it back in AI Studio and see what output you get. Copy, paste, run the HTML file. Now, everybody, I want some sort of screen to come up. Tappu bandru, yenadu barbodu. Does not matter, even if it is a screen. That's another thing that I have to go under, but I will come to Pygame after this. Pygame is basically a Python module. Now to run Pygame, I will have to show you your command, but we will come back to Pygame again. So otherly you have to beda. Put it under that command. The next thing, tell please give me the same with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then it will make a web app. Why web app? Why web app is a little easier to access. Are you able to get it? Banta nilke. I like that the faculty is more enthusiastic than the students. Python Pygame, then you have not told it properly. You wanted it for web. So TypeScript sa kortade. TypeScript game is also good, but they, if you ask it to give it to HTML, it will come in HTML. Okay, once another 5 minutes and we will move on to the next one. We will make something for a Goa plan also. the Flappy Bird is running? Good. See, again, this is what you are capable of. That means we said that I want to clap and then make sure. You can do one more. You can do gesture control.
I think in Instagram now you have that with voice.
With voice also you can. Anything. It's only up to you. How you want to tailor make it, it is up to you. Which is what I was telling about white coding. What does that white coding mean? I don't need to sit down and tell. There's an idea in my head. I want it to make. I think anybody can do gesture control also. That will be good. Try to do that. Make it fly. But you need my web app does not work. Alright. Okay, another 5 minutes. Make sure you have something on your. Always use any other. You can use DeepSeek. You can use any other models that you want to. Alright. Okay. So that's one way to do it. Okay. Let's take it one step further. Now you would say games are trivial. Alva faculty ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You go to a CS faculty, they said you want to do a project. Now, imagine you are going to Goa. Alright, you are 4 people who are going to Goa. Now, you have a problem because everybody through the trip pays at different time. Correct? Somebody will pay for food, somebody will pay for fuel, somebody pay for the hotel room. How do you make sure that if you are 4 or 5 people, that you know who to pay who? Is there any app for that? Yes, which is that app? Splitwise, no? Can you make a Splitwise on your own? You are using an app that somebody else has made. Can you make on your own? Now I will show you what I made, but I will show you what I put the command for me. Okay? Alright, this is what I told you. Help me make an app to split the bill between friends if you are going on a trip. So that we can put what we paid for and how much of it comes in the end. Any prompt you are putting, be as elaborate as possible with your app. Now, what and all do you want in your app? Again, a web app. You must be able to put your name. You must be able to put your friends' names. You must be able to tell who paid for what. And then at the end you must be able to get some sort of yarige kodbekanta agirbe, correct alva? So eventually what came out of that? Now I want you to try this. It's the same. This is what I got. I'll clear everything over here. I can add a friend. Okay, shares by default I put it. So say for example the expense is this. You are going to go after all. Add the expense. Now automatically see over here you kind of get a breakdown. Now I'll add expense number 2. The only thing I feel that we have not got over here, I will say, okay, he didn't have dinner. So 2000 has been spent and that split is here between 4 people. Now, split wise, you have to take subscription for split wise. It does you 3 times, right? 5 times. 5 times you can use split wise. Beyond that, you have to pay. My question is, why do I need split up when I can make something on my own? It didn't take me more than 5 minutes. I finished my class at 12. I knew I had to say 2 o'clock. ಊಟ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ I was thinking what I will show to you next time you want to go to Goa. But I made this app within half an hour. It didn't take me half an hour. Took me a little time. Now I will give you 15 minutes. Write down what you want. Tell that you want to make a web app. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? To split the bill. But your thing is, what are you going to prompt? ನೀವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? And you will get an HTML page, you will get a CSS page, copy paste and put it again. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ you can take the same prompt that I have used if you want. You can use the same prompt I have used. I want to make an app to help you split the bill within friends. I will show you another way where you don't have to do the copy paste also. But that is next. I can do it within Gemini without having to do copy paste. It will build me an app. Yes. Any name is okay, man. Anything that you make, that means you have never made it. Remember, what is technology? Technology lets you do something that you were not able to do yesterday. That is what technology is. I used to go by bullock cart, suddenly I am going by car. I could not do an app yesterday, I can do today. That's what technology is. If you are enabling, let technology be an enabler for you to now give you a good idea. Now, how many final year projects? Is there any final year students over here? What is your project? It's a smart helmet, no? Now I say that your smart helmet has to have a user interface. Or you want to show your smart helmet to people. How will you show it? Meaning the product is there. Now this smart helmet has to be shown to people. Correct? How will you show it to people? You need social media, your reach is only to the people you know. Correct? You will make a website. If I want to make a website, either I pay somebody to do the website. The thing is, you can do it on your own. My thing is that means if you want to do something, you can do on your own. It is not going to be build me a Facebook app and then suddenly I have 10. It does not work that way. If you want to scale it up, I have to get infrastructure. I have to know what I am doing. But as a prototype, what is this talk about? AI for innovation, AI for entrepreneurship. If you want to innovate, you have to build a prototype. To build a prototype and to brainstorm, nothing like this. This was not available for you even 7 months back. You could build small stuff, but not the way that you are able to build it now. See what you are getting. See what is coming. You will get a front page, but something that I have seen. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ somebody over there has thought of the same idea. We have the same. It is called a pain point. That means, say for example, what is your helmet? It detects drowsiness, no? With whose drowsiness in class? Rider's drowsiness. Okay. In rider's drowsiness, that's a pain point. That means people who are drowsy tends to have a pain point that you are trying to solve. Okay. Make it safer. The pain point over here, somebody has thought that it's very difficult to keep track of whose pain. Each person has tried to approach it slightly differently. Now your idea may be similar to this, but you can always make this better. All of these tools give you that advantage. Done? Banta? Itu banta? Madi? The reason it is taking time, you can see more or less the similar sort of response. See, the point is this. Now, CS students who are doing have to compete with this. Imagine that you have some idea of Python, you have some idea of JavaScript. If you can use tools like this, now I'll give you a very good example. Facebook interviews nowadays, they are asking you to use tools. They say use whatever tools you have, but try to solve the problem. For them at the end of the day, are you able to solve the problem? Because these tools are only going to get better. Even if you stop today with AI, you will still be able to do this, which was not possible. You can ask any of us, if we had something like this in engineering college, you could have, had a ball. You can forget computer program. Okay, all right. Now there are people who are lazier. Sir, nange copy sa madudu beda, paste sa madudu beda. Adu madudu beda. Nange app madbeku. So you go on AI Studio. If you go on AI Studio, there is something called as build over here. It is idle. You have stream. Okay. Just to show what this does, the chat interface is this, where you can chat with this. You can set a lot of things. Anybody has tried this? Anybody heard this? Nano Banana? It is there all over. I'll show you. It has been launched a few days back. The thing with this is that, like Photoshop, if you say, for example, I put my photo, I said change it to a quote, it changed to a quote 2 days back. That's a banana. It is the best app for video generation. Alright. Streaming, what you can do is that you can share your screen and talk to Gemini. So if you are learning something, say for example you are learning how to do programming, you can walk through it and you can share the screen and teach you, it can talk to you. We are not going into that. We are going into something called as build. Now what is this? You can build an end-to-end app. What is an end-to-end app? That means back-end, front-end. Everything Gemini will build and give, and you can deploy it on their cloud. If your app is good enough, you can collect money for it also. Gemini builds the app. Now here, there are a few things that you can do. This is what they have done. Gemini, these are the ones that Gemini has done. These are some of the apps that I have done over a period of time. Now I have done some time back, again I was trying this some time back. If I record an audio, I will give it an audio, it will make a PPT of that audio, convert that to text and make a PPT, ulta. Compared to, so if I want, say for example I have done a lecture in class, but I don't, say for something like this, I record the audio, based on what I have talked, it will make a PDF. Now the problem I was getting, because I don't have API access, I am in the free model, it will not create images after 3, because I have to pay for it. But if I have API access and I can pay for other people using it, this app I could sell to people. Make a PPT. It's a, Alright. I did the same thing with Tech Builds Later. Now let's make an app. Now I want somebody to give me an idea on what app to build. Any app will do. Yaradru idea kodu. Microcontroller app for what? Mind detection. Again. Live detection. Line detection. Life detection. Life detection. Then light detection app. Light detection app. We can try. Nothing is stopping you from doing it. So start building. It says, I have an idea for the light detection. I have no idea what will come out of this at the end. Truth or lie? Designing the app. I am not sitting, copying, pasting. I am not doing any of this. Is free. You do not have to pay for any of this. All of what you have done earlier, the JSON file, yara TypeScript and the helthidralva. You don't have to put all of those things over here. It will build the app and give to you. Now the question whether this app is needed or not is another question. But the question that I have a light detection app that I wanted to build, it will build. Now the question is whether, okay, sentiment, enter the statement to analyze. Tell me a line, no? I am a dog. Because dogs can't type. I can fly. No, see, imagine that it has actually taken a statement. For all of this, you have to do quite a few things. If you wanted to do this, say 4 years back, you have to know natural language processing. You should be have to have a machine language or a machine learning model running at the background that does sentiment analysis and grammar analysis. Then only it can tell you whether it is a truth or a lie based on what you have told. So it is asking me. You can put something else. Huh? Who is a football player? Rohit Sharma. Let's see. Hi. Doesn't like it. Confidence it sees over there. It is not really sure. For I am a dog is 100% sure that's a lie. 5% it is telling it may be a lie, it may be a truth, because you may have Rohit Sharma who actually play football. It is not out naturally a lie. Okay, this one is called Gemini's App Builder. Now there is another one where you can build apps. Now the thing is, can you see a rocket button here? If I deploy it to the cloud, I can give access to people for them to use. Your API will be used. If your app is good enough and people use it, say for example, you have a payment gateway for people to use your app. Your app is so good, you can still make money out of it. Only thing is Google will collect API charges because the app is built on them. Okay? So there is another one. This one is called Firebase. This is also by Google. It does full stack. Firebase.com or Studio, Firebase Studio. Very similar to this. I had done a lesson plan maker some time back when I wanted to try this. Now my archived work is done. You can do 3 apps for free. Prototyping. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ, ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ವಾ? You can do a prototype of it, see how it looks. So any idea over here. Now one thing I will tell for all of you. If you want to make something, you need time. Sometimes you need money. Sometimes all you need is time and an idea. You have time, you can sit down, work on that idea, build it up, and then after that, once the idea is good enough, it will take over. I will give you a very good example. Have you played the game Wordle? You have one word that will come, and when you put the words over there, it will show orange or green if the word placement is correct. Wordle. Madilva? Wordle Unlimited. That's Wordle. Wordle was an idea. The man who programmed Wordle did it for his wife on her birthday because she liked playing word games. This was sold to New York Times for 5 million. Only an idea. If anybody knows word games, everybody in my family plays word games. Everybody, you just need an idea. Card games, for example. All you don't need assets. Andre nimge tumba id madbekantilla. You have an idea, you can build. The question is whether your idea is good enough. If your idea is good enough, can I put something over here and build it? Building has become easier. Your ideas, from an idea to what it sees on screen, you can translate it really, really fast. If the games are a little more confusing, you can add assets. Assets are add ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅಷ್ಟೇನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. All right. Okay. So Firebase also you can do it. What I want you to do, Firebase, if you want Firebase, you can do it now, or we can just move on to making something that we can do it through Python. Python is there? You have? Yes? Okay. Now because we are in aeronautical and automobile, let's do something that will is to your domain, so to satisfy your faculty rather than play games and do all of this. Right? Do you have a wind tunnel testing? Yes? Can you make that in Python? Yes? Why? Yes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ yes ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು wind tunnel testing. I can say yes because I have done it. ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Now the question is, what will you use it for? Now I have used Python. The reason I have used Python is because if anybody wants to do wind tunnel testing, where can you do it? Right now you can do it. There is a software to do. Boundary condition ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದು? CFD. Correct alva? I want to take, but my problem is my system is slow. Plus computational intensive. Each node has to be shown how it moves over there. Correct alva? So for that it is computationally intensive. So it will make a smaller version, but you still can make a version of it. Okay? So what I want you to do is go on AI Studio ChatGPT, ask it to make a wind tunnel simulator for in Python and Pygame. Now Pygame, I'll show you how to put it because you want to do animation of this. You need it animated. Python and Pygame, and you can tell that I want to choose between objects. That means I want to put a circle, I want to put a triangle. Adralli choice ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, but I want to make a wind tunnel tester. Tell it that the physics has to be accurate. Be very clear in that. With accurate physics, I can show you what I mean. I will type it in front of you. This is my code. Again, here this is what I put. I want to make a realistic wind tunnel tester. Python with Matplotlib or Pygame. The abstract representation of fluid dynamics and seeing patterns emerge. Create a grid. Now the wind particle is ನನಗೆ grid ಬೇಕು. Alright, create a grid. It took me a few iterations to get it exactly right, but eventually I think of what you need to. Now I told it, ನೀನು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರು. That means my simulator has to be good enough. You put what you want to put in it. Okay? I will show you the final product. That's my wind tunnel simulator. The reason it is running so slow is because it is built in Python. If I built it in C++, I could have optimized my code to make it running. All the physics simulators that you see in games, including Blender, are made with C++. So I made the one thing bug I couldn't fix it. My other I can do things like this. I can change my. You can notice that even if the second model is there, it still behaves with physics only. All it took for me was to have an idea. Again, put. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೋಡನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕಿ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ how do you put Pygame within run it in Python and VS Code. Python ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. Okay, now if you have got it in Python, okay, if you have got it in Python, you will need two things to run off it. So let's close this. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ ಒಂದು Pygame ಕೇಳ್ತದೆ. Here internal tester, it says it needs NumPy and it says it needs Pygame. Now both of these have to be installed in Python. Now if you want to install those things in Python, how do I install Python Pygame and NumPy? Now I know, but I want to show you how it can be done over here, because these are external libraries, so it will you have to put it through the command line. Now it's not that difficult over here. What you have to do, you have something called as pip install. And anybody, my suggestion with all of you is that if you are going into designing of aircraft systems or even automobile systems, knowledge of Python, especially in scientific programming, is really, really needed. It's the easiest thing to learn. It's not difficult. But get your SciPy, and so over here you have to install the packages. All you need to do is this. You copy this. You go to command line CMD. Because Python is already installed in your computer, you just have to command. So anywhere you want to install libraries in Python. Now the Python session we can take it separately. But anywhere you want to do libraries in Python, you do a pip install, and that's the way to do it. Now if you are having Anaconda, sometimes these dependencies come pre-installed. But I prefer it using it onto this, because sometimes what you build from Anaconda, the environment may be slightly different. Now this will tell that it's already installed in mine, and it will say requirement already satisfied. Now if you want to run your game in Python, you can run it through IDLE. You do not need to run it through VS Code. You can run it through your Python platform itself. That means Regis. Python code is the Take the code. You open this. This is what will be available once you do Python. You will get this file, new file. Paste the code over here. This is is my Python file that I have got right now. And you can run from here Excel. This will open the same thing. I don't need VS Code to run this. ಬಂತ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಬಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಈಗ this one take you need a wind tunnel simulator. Build the wind tunnel simulator using Python, NumPy and Pylib. Again, I will show you what I have written over here. Okay, my code is here. You can write it. You want. Again, I repeat, the only way to get better of this is to keep putting your ideas, putting it back. Okay, one suggestion that I would have, if you slow it like this. I want to make a wind tunnel flow visualization using Pylib and NumPy. Windows X. If you are stopping somewhere, let me know where you are having a problem, then I can help you out. Python on your when you are doing pip install, it's because that path has not been mentioned. You have to put path in the environment when you are installing it. There is a small tick button. Alright. In case wherever you have done, no problem, you can continue. The last thing that I wanted to show you is something called as cursor. Now what is cursor? If you want to build apps, if you want to build any of this, you have two ways to do it. One is a large language model. Second is an agent. Now what is an agent? These are terms you are going to see again and again all for the next few years. ಇದು ಹೆಸರು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. What is an agent? Can you tell me? What is that? AI is a very wide term. All the way from self-driving taxis to large language models are all AI. Agent means I can do jobs unsynchronously. What does that mean? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I don't need to stand there, type, take, copy, do any of that. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it needs to build databases, it needs to build dependencies. You just have to tell it, build this for me, it will build for you. Now cursor is that. Okay? I will open, I will show you very quickly what I mean by this. It is exactly like VS Code. Layout is exactly like VS Code. So you can see here it is called agent at the side. Okay. All I need to do, now I don't have any files over here. All I need to tell it is, please help me build the Marvel theme. Again, I like games, so it's easier for me to. Now, keep looking at the side over here, what it does. It will plan. I am thinking how to build the UI. I am thinking it would be great to build the UI. It will build a scaffold. Now what do you mean by asynchronous? I can move away from my computer and go ahead. Now they are coming to such a level that they can plan to make really big data sets. So you can give it a job, move on to some other job and come back and this job would be done. All you need to give it is permission. So my index.html, earlier in VS Code I had to copy it, paste it, make that file. Now it is made that file in my own computer. Unlike Gemini, which is made it on its computer, on its drive, this is making on my own computer. I will show you something else that we can do with this. Say for example, earlier did not have any music. I can add music to this now. I can just put it in the drive and say, okay, I will show you what I mean by it. This is cursor. Now cursor has been, they were planning to buy it. OpenAI wanted to buy this. They were in talks with Google also. I think $6 billion is the valuation right now for Cursor as a company. There is another company called Tailwind. Windsor, not Tailwind, Windsor. There is another company called Lovable. All of these are called vibe coding apps. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ, when I started I told vibe coding. That means all you need to do is tell it to code, it will code. Now, why is this going to change? And this is already changing the entire landscape of software engineering. Means, do I need junior level engineers to sit down and do this boilerplate code? Nange beda. All I need is a senior engineer who is able to know the entire architecture. Andre plane madlike nange plane ಎಷ್ಟು system ಇದೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. The individual parts can be built by something else, like an agent like this. All I have to do is do this. If I click over here, I just have to do keep review next file, keep review next file, keep, that's it. So if I go to HTML and I say run without debugging, now what I can say here is my next button is not good enough over here. So I can just go here, I can ask it. So I want, let's say for example I want to add music. So I can just do music epic theme. Okay, I have downloaded something, I don't know how well it plays. But again I have a theme. Okay, there is music over here, I want to add. So I can just go over here to cursor. This is my folder. All I can do is go to downloads, copy this, paste it over here. And I just have to tell cursor that I have put the back please add it to code. After that it will look for, within my files it will look for my program which I have made over there. I see that you have an MP file, I will open that and put it. Then it will rewrite the code. Now where does this become important? Now as much as I love playing games, I love if only I could make games on my own. The problem is I don't know how to add music, I don't know how to add sprites. Sprites are those small animations that you want to add in your games. No? Games are a very big market. Now it has changed. Index.html, it has added 3 lines of code. You can see over here. You can click on that. Style.css, it's added 1 line of code. See here, it's added a button style. I just have to say keep. Here it is changed. One line of code. Keep. HTML it is changed 5 lines of code to put that. Let's say keep. And it will tell you what has been upgraded. Now go back to run. It will run with my music right now, though it is really bad. As soon as it comes. Okay, now Google AI Studio. What do you have in your okay, what I want from all of you now, I will leave to work on your own because all of this needs time, all of this needs 2 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If it was somebody like me, I would sit through the night trying to build something on my own. My suggestion for all of you is this: go online, find out what is available for free. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಪಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ? ಲವಬಲ್, Windsurf, Cursor is free for 2 weeks. ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ. Madhusudan sir, who is running his own company, has taken the $20 subscription. Madhusudan sir, $20 subscription. He can write code. Now half of his company code or most of it he writes it on his own. When he said own, this is how he is. Andre nimge you can make your own software company. $200 is, say for example, 16,000 rupees right now or 19,000 rupees. You can get unlimited cloud code. Cursor se tegibodu, cloud se tegibodu. That means you can sit down and program. Even if you don't know code, you can build your own software. I wouldn't say a company, but definitely a prototype and send it without any need. If you are an automobile engineer, if you are, how many here in this semester? How many are doing mini projects? All of you are doing mini projects. My suggestion is this: one website that shows your mini project. You mini project ಮಾಡಿದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ there is another thing that I have forgotten to show you. All of this you have made. No, say for example, I have made this. I have made my Flappy Bird, or I have made my. How do I show it to other people? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Can I publish it online? There is something called as Netlify. Netflix ಅಲ್ಲ, Netlify. Now the thing with Netlify is it is got a free plan. You can just drag and drop your entire website folder within this. You can just drag and drop and it will give you a website link that you can share to people to run this. I think it is Netlify as far as I remember. So I think I did. Okay, all you need to do is drag and drop. So I will go on my white coding session where I have made a few projects. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೆಟ್ರಿಸ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. So I will put it over here. Up to 5 GB I think it is there, it is free. So in case you have student projects that you have made, website irbodu, metrics ಬೇಡ ನನಗೆ. Anyway, for some reason it is not. Basically, you can drag and drop. Your app will kind of show over here, and you can share your app, whatever the web app you have made with other people. My suggestion for all of you: do not be afraid to make new things in places where you are not comfortable. Nange coding gottilla, bekagilla. You can always ask somebody else to code. Instead of asking somebody in your other building, oh, this is what, how many are doing any project that has some amount of coding in that? Yadadru idya? Is there? What is your project? So you have to do a machine learning model later. What? Yavadanu use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? TensorFlow. Again, my suggestion is that try taking your code, especially once you have written your code to fix bugs. It's very, very easy, right? 2.5 Gemini, I think 3 is coming in this week. So your new models come out over there. So Claude Code, Windsurf, ChatGPT, any one of these open or closed source models, Claude Code ನಾನು ಮಾಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Because that will take a little bit of time. Claude is your best coder out there. Do not be afraid to make code. If the code does not work, put it back telling it is not working, make it better. It will do. Right? And I wish that I would see more projects where your prototypes can be seen over here. It can be games, it can be a website, it can be your own. Again, my suggestion, Nimma profile website ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Your resume, digital resume ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನು. Very easy. Take whatever you have done, photographs, and you can get your website on your own. And in your resume, you just need to put a QR code so they can just go online, look at your website, what you have built. You don't need to explain to them how you have built it. Right? Make use of this technology. You are living in a time where for me, this is magic. Every evening I can spend hours building stuff that I never thought I could build. Forget about games, right? So the more you have fun with this, the more I would thank everyone for inviting me and making me have fun over here. I hope that you build, I hope that you explore, I hope that you have fun. Thank you so much. Thank you.
With this, we conclude today's session. We sincerely thank everyone for their presence and active participation. Once
Thank
again,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. People who have still not able to build all of that, get your laptops and come. I am here all the time. I am very happy to build whatever you people are building, and you just come down and we can build more. Don't let your ideas go to a waste. If you have an idea, build it. Nothing is, all you can do is a mistake. I have been doing this for 3 years now. My ideas have only become better, right? The tools will only become better.